Are you happy? Yes, I am happy.
Are you happy or unhappy? I am happy.
Do you like coffee? Yes, I like coffee.
Do you like coffee or tea? I like coffee more than tea.
Can you swim? Yes, I can swim.
Can you swim or dive? I can swim.
Is it sunny today? No, it is not sunny.
Is it sunny or cloudy today? It is cloudy.
Have you eaten breakfast? Yes, I have eaten breakfast.
Do you prefer breakfast or dinner? I prefer breakfast.
Do you speak English? Yes, I speak English.
Do you speak English or Spanish? I speak English.
Are you a student? Yes, I am a student.
Are you a student or a teacher? I am a student.
Can you play the piano? What? No, I cannot play the piano.
Do you play the piano or the guitar? I do not play either.
Is your favorite color red? Yes, my favorite color is red.
Is your favorite color red or blue? My favorite color is red.
Have you been to France? No, I have not been to France.
Have you been to France or Italy? I have not been to either.
Do you like to read? Yes, I like to read.
Do you prefer reading books or watching movies? I prefer reading books.
Can you cook? Yes, I can cook.
Do you prefer cooking or eating out? I prefer cooking.
Is it cold outside? Yes, it is cold outside.
Is it cold or warm outside? It is cold.
Have you ever climbed a mountain? No, I have never climbed a mountain.
Would you prefer to climb a mountain or swim in a lake? I would prefer to swim in a lake.
Do you have any pets? Yes, I have a pet.
Do you have a cat or a dog? I have a dog.
Are you interested in art? Yes, I am interested in art.
Are you interested in painting or sculpture? I am interested in painting.
Can you ride a bicycle? Yes, I can ride a bicycle.
Do you prefer riding a bicycle or driving a car? I prefer riding a bicycle.
Is your phone charged? Yes, my phone is charged.
Is your phone fully charged or needs charging? It is fully charged.
Do you enjoy cooking? Yes, I enjoy cooking.
Do you enjoy cooking or baking more? I enjoy cooking more.
Are you wearing a hat? No, I am not wearing a hat.
Are you wearing a hat or sunglasses? I am not wearing either.
Is today your birthday? No, today is not my birthday.
Is your birthday in summer or winter? My birthday is in summer.
Do you play sports? Yes, I play sports.
Do you play football or basketball? I play football.
Have you finished your work? Yes, I have finished my work.
Have you finished your work or do you still have more to do? I have finished my work.
Is the water warm? Yes, the water is warm.
Is the water warm or cold? The water is warm.
Do you like music? Yes, I like music.
Do you prefer classical music or pop music? I prefer pop music.
Do you have a car? Yes, I have a car.
Do you have a car or a bike? I have a car.
Can you dance? No, I cannot dance.
Do you prefer to dance or sing? I prefer to sing.
Is it your turn? Yes, it is my turn.
Is it your turn or my turn? It is my turn.
Have you visited the zoo? Yes, I have visited the zoo.
Do you like visiting the zoo or the museum? I like visiting the zoo.
Are you wearing shoes? No, I am not wearing shoes.
Are you wearing shoes or slippers? I am wearing slippers.
Do you eat meat? Yes, I eat meat.
Do you prefer meat or vegetables? I prefer vegetables.
Can you sing? Yes, I can sing.
Do you like to sing alone or with friends? I like to sing with friends.
Is your book on the table? No, my book is not on the table.
Is your book on the table or in your bag? It is in my bag.
Have you ever flown in a plane? Yes, I have flown in a plane.
Do you prefer traveling by plane or by train? I prefer traveling by train.
Do you like ice cream? Yes, I like ice cream.
Do you like chocolate or vanilla ice cream? I like chocolate ice cream.
Are you learning to drive? No, I am not learning to drive.
Are you learning to drive a car or ride a motorcycle? I am not learning either.
Is it a holiday today? Yes, it is a holiday today.
Is today a public holiday or a personal day off? It is a public holiday.
Do you drink tea? Yes, I drink tea.
Do you drink tea in the morning or in the evening? I drink tea in the morning.
Can you use a computer? Yes, I can use a computer.
Do you use a computer or a tablet? I use a computer.
Are you tired? No, I am not tired.
Are you tired or energized? I am energized.
Do you like to draw? Yes, I like to draw.
Do you prefer to draw or paint? I prefer to draw.
Is your room clean? Yes, my room is clean.
Is your room clean or messy? My room is clean.
Have you made dinner? No, I have not made dinner.
Are you going to make dinner or order takeout? I am going to order takeout.
Do you play video games? Yes, I play video games.
Do you prefer video games or board games? I prefer video games.
Are you studying tonight? No, I am not studying tonight.
Are you going to study or watch a movie tonight? I am going to watch a movie.
Do you have homework? Yes, I have homework.
Do you do your homework in the afternoon or evening? I do it in the evening.
Is the store open? Yes, the store is open.
Is the store open now or does it open later? It is open now.
Do you like the beach? Yes, I like the beach.
Do you prefer the beach or the mountains? I prefer the beach.
Are you going out tonight? No, I am not going out tonight.
Are you staying in or going out tonight? I am staying in.
Great job following our English lesson today. You did well to listen and practice so much. Keep practicing because it helps you get better. Every time you learn, you are closer to speaking English really well. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Your support helps us to create more helpful content for you. See you next time and happy learning!